Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. We're back adding no rehab because I'm addicted to give me guys advice. So the week is going okay, slow week, but people's asking me questions about tax time. Should they buy a car during tax time, or what should they do? In my honest opinion, I mean, if you need a car, buy a car. But if you've been getting around just fine without a car at the moment, I would wait. I would make sure, you put some money away for your car. But I know bills and stuff come along, so people don't want to hold on to the money because this stuff and this thing. But if you can hold off until I don't know exactly when the price is coming down because the price of cars don't seem like it's ever gonna come down. But honestly, one of the good times to buy a car if you can wait is like because like everybody's about to get to start getting their tax money within the next week or so. So it's going to be a big wave. So if you can wait to like close like into May, like into April, like April 20th or something like that, if you can kind of hold off until then, that'll be a good time to buy some cars. And also in beginning of August because it'll be a good time if you can wait. I know a lot of people can't wait that long, but if you can wait, beginning of August, right before school starts, is when stuff starts slowing down. Price of cars are down. Nobody's really not selling any cars because everybody's focused on getting their kids ready back for school. So everything, all the money is getting spent, and nobody's not going to buy any cars really unless you just need one to get your kids back and forth to school. But most people not going to buy cars. It's going to be school supplies, school clothes, what sending kids off to college. That you know, you'll sell some cars to some people that's wanting to look for some kids for college, but most of the time, here and there. But honestly, what I would do if I was you guys, just getting your tax money. If y'all thinking about flipping cars, man, I would just honestly just hold on to your money because you gonna try to flip some cars like thinking if you gonna do it, best best suggestion I would say go on Facebook Marketplace. Get on Marketplace, Craigslist, and just buy them off of somebody. Don't try to go to no public auction because you're going to be in a public auction with a lot of other people that just got their money. You're going to be buying stuff. Go right now, like once as soon as you get your money, just go around and ask people. If they're gonna sell their car, just go to Marketplace, go negotiate the price down. Especially if the car looks pretty good. If even if the car is in a little bit of shape, if you know you can fix some stuff and like turn around and clean it up and get it looking a little bit better. Maybe you just go buy a car, like say you go buy like a Chevy Impala or something like that, like and then it runs and drives and everything good, and maybe you can just put your little touches on there, man. You can find you a little cheap set of rims, if the windows ain't tinted, get the windows tinted, and now you turn around and flip that same car for more money because now it looks a little bit better, because those are little things that you can do. Like if you're a person that can find some rims, like I'm telling you, rims on a car, things that's gonna help you sell cars more. Like if your car got some nice wheels on it, that's why I always like I don't never selling what it got the steel wheels. That's why I always go get hubcaps at least covered up so in people's appearance it looks like it's rims, but it really ain't no rims. But if you can find if you're a person that can do rims, always put some nice wheels on the car. You put some $200 rims on a $500 car with a tint. Now you what $2,500, $2,800 car just because how it looks now, how the look transformed it. So if you can get some rims, tint, always got to make sure the radio is working. But those three things will help you. But my suggestion would say, man, if you're gonna get this money, enjoy the money. That's gonna be my thing. Like if you getting the money, just enjoy it, man. Don't car and everything like that. I understand, but go enjoy your money, man. You work too hard, you grinded too hard, you worked all year. You probably didn't get a vacation or nothing like that. Take you a little vacation, man. Take you a week off. Sometimes we spend too much time working, working, and working, and working, and working, to get to the money. But then when you get to the money, then what? Because that's why I always answer people that question, like, then what? It's like, it's then what? It's like, you're gonna work and grind and then get to the money, then what? Then you're gonna work and try to get more money, then what? You know, you're never gonna be satisfied with the money you get, so because you don't feel like you didn't make enough. You don't feel like, oh, I need to make more money. So get your money, take a vacation, enjoy it, man. Take 3 days, 4 days, 5 days if you can. Take you a nice vacation. That's what I say with your money. Enjoy your money, spend, and then also what I would suggest too, like, man, like, get everything up running, everything back up. Don't, if you're behind, like, I'm not saying that you are, but if you're behind on your bills, catch up on your bills and pay it forward, so you don't run into that problem. If you haven't got your car registered or tagged it, man, go tag your car, because the police they're helping nobody, and they ain't gonna help you. So if your license is suspended, make sure go get your license renewed, man. Go get your license renewed, because you don't want to get pulled over and stopped and pulled over for, like, no reason, because your license is expired, or your tags expired, or you don't have, like, if you go get your driver's license renewed or up to code if you need it. Get your tags for your car. Fix if you currently got a car. Like, this is the thing. People go out there, like, yeah, it's okay. It's always good to have a backup car. But if you got the car that you're driving now, like, invest a little bit of money into the car that you have now. A lot of times people are like, this car has been giving me a lot of problems. When a lot of times, the problems ain't really major. It's just a lot of little minor things with the car. And people don't want to spend no money and fix it, so they just go trade it in, put a little bit more money down, get them a newer car. And then they had this newer car, but, just because you get a newer car, don't mean that newer car is not going to have problems like your older car. So just take some of the money, invest it in the car, invest it in vacation, have a good week. The videos probably going to get cut down even more, because, I don't know. I'll probably do, like, maybe just do, like, 3 videos, long videos a week. I'll probably do like, I'm gonna keep doing the Monday video, the Monday check-ins. I didn't do one this weekend, but everything went good last week. This week is going good. I'll probably just do a long auction video. I'll probably do, like, an auction walk around video, and then I'll splice it up and edit it in. Like, have some footage from the walk around, and I'll add some of the walk around footage into the actual auction video. So it'll be an auction walk around plus the auction video. So you can kind of, so, like, when you're watching the video and I look at some of these cars and be like, you can comment, like, okay, I'll think this car. So then you can kind of see, like, I seen this car the other day, and then what it kind of sold for, all in, like, one video. And I don't want to spice it up, so it'll probably just be Monday video, Wednesday or Thursday. Wednesday is probably be Monday, Wednesday, Friday is probably when the videos are going, or probably Monday, Thursday, Saturday, or something like that. Because Mondays and Wednesdays is the day my daughter goes to Taekwondo, and then I'm gonna sign them up for some other stuff as well. So who knows? But I'll probably do the videos probably Monday, Thursday, Saturday. That's probably when they're gonna drop. It's probably just gonna be 3, like, longer videos Monday, Thursday, Saturday. But I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'm out, and I have some more to talk about in the next video. But y'all know it's Wednesday, so I'm gonna relax for a little bit, then take my daughter to Taekwondo practice. And then that's it. Peace.